Hey everyone, Herbert Flores here from IamHerbertFlores.com. So right now, I want to show you a video how to activate your account on Traffic Wave. So in the last few days, my account has been deactivated. Okay, so right now I need to activate my account in Traffic Wave to send broadcast email to my list and to activate all my sales funnel. So let's go to login to Traffic Wave. So if your account is deactivated, you will receive an email like this from Traffic Wave. Okay, so they are reminding you to about the status of your account. So right now, let's log in. Once you log in, you will see a welcome page that your account is currently deactivated. So in order to reactivate this account, you must provide accurate billing information in our secure area. So if you already submitted a new billing information, you will be notified by email when your account has been reinstalled. Okay, so click here to review and update your account. So just click here and you can change your payment option, or you can add your credit card or debit card. Okay, just read this page, and below you will see the click here to change information. After you click that, you will see that there are three options to pay your Traffic Wave. So credit card information, PayPal, or with Visa. So right now I will use PayPal. So click the PayPal logo and then click the PayPal subscribe button. Once you're there, you need to log in on your PayPal account. Once you log in, just review the payment. Okay, and then click the agree and pay. So if you have other card, you can change the payment button below. Okay, so if all information are correct, just click the agree and pay. So that's all. So right now your purchase was successful. Okay, now click to return to trafficwave.net. So right now your transaction was submitted. So once your transaction has been verified by PayPal, your profile will be updated to reflect this change. And now you can close this window and you can refresh your account.
Thanks for watching. We'd love for you to subscribe to our channel.